Hello students, today we are going to learn about our world. Do you know where we live? We live on the planet Earth. The Earth is third planet in our solar system. Earth is spherical in shape. It appears blue in color when seen from space. The Earth is not exactly round. It is bulging in the middle and slightly flat at the top and bottom. Students, why do we use globe? The globe shows exact shape and position of the continents, countries, oceans and sea. Globe is man-made three-dimensional model of Earth. Next one is map. Maps are two-dimensional representations of globe. A map is a flat and two-dimensional. It can show only a part of the Earth's surface in details at the one time. Maps are easier to carry. A person who makes map is called a cartographer. Now let's learn about difference between globe and map. A globe is spherical, representing the shape of the earth. But a map is drawn on a flat surface. It does not show the correct shape of the earth. Globe can be used to locate various continents and seas and oceans of the world. A map shows places within the continents and countries. A globe represents the total earth in less detail. But a map can represent either the whole or a part of the world in more detail. Let's know about continents and oceans. Students, we already know there are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. What is a continent? A continent is large mass of land. Our world has 7 continents. The name of the 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It has different landforms and water bodies. The most populous country, China, lies in this continent. Russia is the largest country of this continent. Our country, India, lies in South Asia. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It is well known for its rainforests, grasslands, deserts and wildlife. North America. The third largest continent in the world is North America. Mexico is the largest country in this continent. South America. It is the fourth largest continent. The world's highest fall, the Angel Falls, is located in the South America. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. It is the coldest, windiest and driest of all continents. There are no permanent residents on these continents. Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the world. It is also the third most populous continent. The world's smallest country, Vatican City, lies in this continent. Last one is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It is the only continent which is also a country. Let's know about oceans. The large water bodies on the earth are known as oceans. Let us study more about the oceans of the world. We already know there are 5 oceans: Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. First one is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. It is triangular in shape. Second one is Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean. It is located between North America and Europe. Third one is Indian Ocean, and it is the third largest ocean, and it has many islands. Fourth one is Southern Ocean, and it is the fourth largest ocean, and it is also known as Austral Ocean. Fifth one is Arctic Ocean, and it is the smallest ocean, and it is covered with ice for the most part of the year. Students, it's all about globe, map, continents, and oceans. See you in my next class. Happy study!